am Dr. Prashant Jain, working in Department of Orthopedics, Brindavan Area Hospital, Chamrajpet. Hospital, we have state-of-art facilities for joint replacements, traumas, arthroscopic, spine care and fracture cares. We also deal with routine orthopedics and pediatric orthopedic cases. Here in our hospital, we have world-class operation theatres which cater to joint replacements and arthroscopic surgeries. Here we would like to highlight the arthroscopy and sports injury facility we have in our hospital, and which are one of the best in our hospital in Bangalore. For any needs in orthopedic department, please contact Brindavan Area Hospital.